Hello everyone, welcome back to another session with me, Pushpa. So today we will be learning the logarithms, which is a very important topic in the first chapter of your 10th class 10 real numbers. So we will be learning logarithms and properties of logarithms. Okay, one thing I just wanted to tell you. So if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button. And if you like my video, click on the like button. And click on the bell icon as well for notifications for new videos. Okay, chalo. So exponents and logarithms are inverse for one another. They are inverse of one another. So you would have studied about exponents and parts in your 8th class and 9th class also, right? So logarithms, this is a completely new topic for you all. So let's move into it. So in general, a and n are positive real numbers such that a is not equal to 1. Then we define log n to the base a is equal to x. Similarly, a power x is equal to n. So both are equal. So these two are similar. Log n to the base a is equal to x and a power x is equal to n are similar. So this is the logarithmic function. Logarithmic function. So this is called the logarithmic function. And this is called the exponential form or exponential function. So this is called the exponential form and this is the logarithmic form. Okay, so you see here, I'll give you some more examples. See here, 5 cube. What is 5 cube? 5 cube is equal to 125. So I can write like this. Log 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. So I am applying log on both sides. Okay, so if I apply log on both sides, I'll explain you this clearly in the next further. Like I apply log of 5 cube is equal to log of 125. So base 5. Here also base 5. So this we have a formula. I'll tell you all the formulas also. Formulae. Now log 5 to the base 5 is equal to log 125 to the base 5. Log 5 to the base 5 is equal to 1. So log 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. Okay, like this we can write. Now see here, if there is no base, for suppose the question is given like that, 10 power x is equal to 100 and I am applying log on both sides. Log 10 power x to the base 10 is equal to log 100 to the base 10. So if base 10 is not given, then it is assumed that it is base 10. So if base value is not given, if this value is not given, then it is assumed that base 10. Okay, if the base is 10, then these logarithmics are called natural logarithms. So if the base is 10, so see here, x log 10 to the base 10 is equal to log of 10 square to the base 10. So see here, x is equal to log 10 square to the base 10. So if the base is 10, so I'll write it down here. If the base is 10, then these logarithmics are called natural logarithms. Then these logarithms are called natural logarithms. Natural. So these are called natural logarithms. Let's move on to the laws of logarithms. So I'll give you one. So let me write one by one. Log of x into y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Okay, where a comma x comma y are positive real numbers and a should not be equal to 1. Okay, this is called the product rule. So this is called product rule. Okay, So remember guys, if you learn all these formulae only, then only you can solve the problems easily. So if you don't learn, then it is difficult for you to solve the problems. Log of x by y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. The same similar one. This is follows. So this is called the quotient rule. So this is called quotient rule. Okay, next third one. Log x to the power n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. This is called power rule because we are using the powers here. Okay, see here. This is called the power rule. So log of x to the power m, a to the power n is equal to m by n log x to the base a. Okay, next fifth one. Log a to the base a is equal to 1. So if this number and the base both are similar, then that the value is 1. And next sixth one we have is log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Okay, these are the 6 formulae which we are going to use in the further exercise problems. So one thing you have to remember guys, you should learn all these formulae. If you don't learn all these formulae, then it is difficult for you to do the exercise and example problems. Okay, so from this logarithms exercise, most probably we'll get one, definitely you'll get a 1 4-mark question, and maybe you'll get a 1 1 mark question. So total 5 marks you'll be having in your hand if you learn these formulae and if you learn these problems of this exercise and examples. Okay, chalo, let's move on to the examples. So expand log 343 by 125. See here, log 343 by 125. This is in the form, what form it is? You have learnt all the formula. This is quotient rule. Log x by y to the base a is equal to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Okay, this is one formula which you have to learn. So this can be written as log 343 minus log 125. So log 343 can be written as 7 cube minus log 5 cube, isn't it? So this is in the form of log x to the power n base a is equal to n log x to the base a. Okay, this is one formula. So this can be written as 3 log 7 minus 3 log 5. So what I'll do, I have 3 common, so I'll take 3 common. 3 log 7 minus log 5. Okay, this is the solution. Isn't it very easy? Only thing is we have to learn the formula. Okay, so write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. So what I'll go, let's write down what is given. 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. So for this we will use one formula. N log x to the base a is equal to log x power n to the base a. Okay, this we have to remember. So log 3 square plus log 5 cube minus log 2 power 5. So what is log 3 square? Log 9. We have to express this as a single logarithm. Okay, so log 5 cube is 125 minus log 2 power 5 is 32. Isn't it? So here I am going to use one more formula. See here, log x to the base a plus log y the base a is equal to log x by to the base a. We can write like this. Okay. Why I am writing all the formulae, because if you write the formulae only, you will get full marks. Okay, if you don't write the formulae, you will not get full marks. Okay, so 9 into 125. What is 9 into 125? Let's do it. 125 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s 18. 18 plus 4 22. 9 1s 9. 9 plus 2 11. So log of 1125 minus log 32. This can be written as log x to the base a minus log y to the base a is equal to log of x by y to the base a. This is one more formula. Okay. See here, what are the formulae we have learnt in the laws of logarithms, that those formulas we are using it again here, isn't it? So 1125 by 32. We can write like this. So did we do this? Did we express this in the single logarithm? Yes, we have put up in a single logarithm. So this is your final answer. Let's move on to the next problem. Log 3 power x is equal to log 5 power x minus 2. The question is, we have to solve this and we have to find out the value of x, isn't it? 5 power x minus 2. So apply log on both sides. Okay. Log of 3 power x is equal to log of 5 power x minus 2. Now for this we have a formula. Log of x power n to the base a is equal to n log x base a. X log 3 is equal to x minus 2 into log 5. So what I am going to do, I am going to multiply this log 5 inside. X log 5 minus 2 log 5. Okay, I'll send all the x terms to one side. X log 3 minus x log 5 is equal to minus 2 log 5. Okay, so I'll take x common. X into log 3 minus log 5 is equal to minus 2 log 5. Okay, then I'll send this term log 3 minus log 5. This is multiplying on the LHS side. When it is sent to the RHS side, then it becomes division. It does division to minus 2 log 5 by log 3 minus log 5. Okay, so like this you can keep the answer, or you can write like this. You can multiply with minus on both, when the numerator and denominator, then it becomes minus into minus plus, then log 5 minus log 3. So this is your answer. Okay, this is the value of x. So if nothing is there, what did I tell you? It is assumed that log 10, the base log 10. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Find the value of x. If 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equal to log x. So let's write down the question given. 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 is equal to log x. Thus we have a formula, n log x to the base a is equal to log x power n base a. Okay. So log 5 square plus log 9 whole power 1 by 2 minus log 3 is equal to log x, isn't it? Log pi square is 25 plus log 9 power 1 by 2 is nothing but root 9 minus log 3 is equal to log x. Okay, now log 25 plus what is log root 9? 3, isn't it? So root 9 is nothing but 3. So log 3 minus log 3 is equal to log x. Minus log 3 plus log 3 gets cancelled. So log 25 is equal to log x, isn't it? Now we can write like this. So both have logarithms. Logarithms can be removed. Then x is equal to 25. Okay. Let's move on to the exercise problems. The first problem is log given log 5 25. So 25 can be written as pi square, isn't it? So here if nothing is there, 1 is assumed. Log of 5 power 1 pi square. This can we have a formula like log of x a power m b power n is equal to m by n log a to the base b. This is one formula. Okay. Now see here. So this can be written as 1 by 2 log 5 to the base 5. So anything log a to the base a is equal to 1, isn't it? Log a to the base a is equal to 1. So what I'm going to do, 1 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 2. Let's move on to the next problem. Log 3 base 81. So log 3, 81 can be written as 3 power 4. So if it is log 3 assumed as 1. So we have a formula, right? Log a power m to the base b power n is equal to m by n log log a to the base b, isn't it? This is one formula. We can write like this, 1 by 4 log 3 to the base 3. So log a to the base a is equal to 1, isn't it? So 1 by 4 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. Now see here, log of given 1 by 16 to the base 2. So which is equal to log of 16 power minus 1 to the base 2. So 16 can be written as 2 power 4. Can I write like that? Log of 2 power 4 whole power minus 1 to the base 2. So this is in the form of a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn, isn't it? So which is equal to log of 2 power minus 4 to the base 2. So here if nothing is there, assumed as 1. So log of a power m b power n is equal to m by n log a to the base b. Which is equal to minus 4 by 1 log 2 to the base 2, which is equal to minus 4 is the answer. Okay. Again log 2 base 2 log a to the base a is equal to 1. One thing remember my dear students, so if you have to write definitely the formula for each and every problem. If you write the formula only, you will get the marks. Otherwise you will not. Okay. So look at this fourth problem, log 1 to the base 7. So we have one formula, log 1 to the base a is equal to 0, isn't it? So log 1 to the base 7, which is equal to 0. Now log root x to the base x. So root x can be written as log of x power 1 by 2. Can I write like this? Yes. So if nothing is there, it is assumed as 1. So now log a to the power m base b power n is equal to m by n log a to the base b. So which is equal to 1 by 2 by 1 log x to the base x, which is equal to 1 by 2 log x to the base x. So log a to the base a is equal to 1. We have one more formula, isn't it? So which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Log 512 to the base 2. Given log 512 to the base 2. 5 and 2 can be written as 2 power 9 to the base 2, isn't it? So see here again, n log x to the base a is equal to log x power n to the base a, which is equal to 9 log 2 to the base 2. So log a to the base a is equal to 1. So which is equal to 9 into 1, which is equal to 9 is the answer. Now look at the seventh problem. Log 0.01 to the base 10, which is equal to, this can be written as log of this can be written as 0.1 whole square to the base 10, isn't it? So 0.1 into 0.1 is nothing but 0.01, isn't it? Yes. So log of 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10 whole square to the base 10. So log of 1 by 10 can be written as 10 power minus 1 whole square. So 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. Can I write like this? We have this formula in exponents. So log of 10 power minus 2 to the base 10. We have one more formula, that is log x power n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. So which is equal to minus 2 log 10 to the base 10. So log a to the base a is equal to 1, which is equal to minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 is the answer. Let's move on to the next problem. This is log given 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3. So log 8 can be written as 2 cube by 3. 27 can be written as 3 cube to the base 2 by 3, which is equal to log 2 by 3 whole cube to the base 2 by 3. This can be written using the formula a power n by b power n is equal to a by b whole power n. This is one formula. So remember guys, why I am telling you each and every formula after each and every step is because I'm telling you each and every step because writing the formula is very important after each and every step. Okay, log x to the power n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. This is one more formula. So here what is x? 2 by 3 and what is n? 3. So 3 log 2 by 3 to the base 2 by 3. Now log a to the base a is equal to 1, which is equal to 3 into 1, which is which is equal to 3. Okay. So I have a problem. 1 minute. So I have a problem with my screen. Just hold on. So we have one more Roman to go in this video, and in the next video I'll be telling you the remaining problems. Okay. So I have a small problem with my laptop. just recording it live, so just wait. So I hope you people all have understood the problems. So if you are finding any difficulty, you can put it in the comment section below. Okay. So the answer is, so the answer is 3 into 1, which is equal to 3 is the answer. Now let's move on to the next problem. 2 power 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. Okay. So now I can write this like this using the exponents formula. X power m plus n is equal to x power m into x power n. Can I write like this? Yes. So 2 square into 2 power log 3 to the base 2. So what is this? 2 square is 4 into 2 log 3 to the base 2. This can be written as, so we have one more formula. A power log x to the base a is equal to x. This is the formula, one more formula which you have to remember. So which is equal to 4 into 3, which is equal to 4 3 is 12 is the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next Roman. Log 2 plus log 5. Find the write the following expressions as log n and find their values. So we have to write as single expressions, isn't it? So this can be written as, so the formula you can check out here. What is given? Given log 2 plus log 5. Okay, this is log x to the base a plus log y to the base a is equal to log x into y to the base a. So which is equal to log of 2 into 5 to the base 10. So if nothing is there, we have to assume it as 10. Log 10 to the base 10 is equal to log a to the base a is equal to 1. So which is equal to 1 is the answer. Now see here, we have log given. What is given? Log 16 minus log 2 to the base 2. Log 16 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. This is in the form of log x to the base a minus log y to the base a, which is equal to log of x by y to the base a. This is one formula. Okay, so this can be written as log of 16 by 2 to the base 2. So we can divide it here or you can keep it as it is. Okay, if we divide, that would be easy for you. 2 ones are 2 8s are, isn't it? Which is equal to log 8 to the base 2. 8 can be written as log 2 cube to the base 2. So here we have a formula, log x power n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. So which is equal to 3 log 2 to the base 2. So log a to the base a is equal to 1. This is one more formula, which is equal to 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. Next, third one. Look at the third one. 3 log 4 to the base 64. This can be written as given. What is given? 3 log 4 to the base 64. So log 4 cube to the base 64. This can be written. How did I write like this? N log x to the base a is equal to log x power n to the base a. So this, like this we have written, log 4 cube 64 can be written as 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, which means 4 cube again. Okay, so log a to the power m base b to the power n is equal to m by n log a to the base b. This is one more formula. This is quotients rule, which is equal to 3 by 3 log 4 to the base 4. Log a to the base a is equal to 1. We have a formula, this one. So which is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1 and log 4 to the base 4 is equal to 1. So totally 1 is the answer. Then coming on to the next problem, it is 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. This can be written as 2 log 3 given. What is given? Given 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. So we have a formula that is, what is that? N log x to the base a is equal to log x to the power n to the base a. Okay. So see here, log 3 square minus log 2 cube. So log 9 minus log 8. Okay, 3 square is 9 and 2 cube is 8. So this is in the form of log x to the base a minus log y to the base a is equal to log of x by y to the base a. Log 9 by 8. So if nothing is there, it is assumed as 10. So the answer is log of 9 by 8. Okay. So the last problem in this Roman is log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So given, what is given? Given log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay, so this is in the form of log x to the base a plus log y to the base a is equal to log x into y to the base a. We can write like this. So if nothing is there to the base, it is assumed as 10. Okay, so log 10 plus 2 log 3 can be written as n log x to the base a is equal to log x power n to the base a. Log 3 square minus log 2. So log 10 plus log 9 minus log 2. So here we can use this formula, like product rule. So log 9 into 10 minus log 2. So log 90 minus log 2. So this is in the form of log x to the base a minus log y to the base a is equal to log of x by y to the base a. We can write like this. Okay. So this can be written as log of 90 by 2, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 45s. Log 45. This is the answer. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel, click on the subscribe button, and if you like my video, hit on the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.